Good morning. Availability update. Harbor Freight Tools, mini toolboxes. Look where I'm at. They are back in stock. I said they are back in stock. I'm here in one of the Kendall, Florida stores. Mini toolboxes are back in stock. $17.95, $99, whatever that price was. $17 and some change. They're back in stock. Go now. You know they're gonna be sold out soon. Store manager says they've been here for 2 days. It's early in the morning. Go now. TechSurgeon here. Well, looks like they're back in stock. Well, what do you know? Plenty of mini toolboxes back in stock at Harbor Freight Tools. Pick yours up today.